What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to Mexico for a little bit of racing. We're in the supercharged Mustang Vortec V3, and the big race of the night is a golf. So hopefully that turns out in our favor.
Win for the fucking max. I thought he went off. I hit 6th gear there too.
I saw.
He's pretty fast.
That thing is quick. That is an insane. That's a GTI. It's a Mark 7 GTI for
Race gas, he'd have me, but
for anyone wondering. Yeah, but we're both on pump, so it's a fair game. Got 2 runs in with the GTI, and the Mustang won both of them, I think. I'm gonna have to review the footage of the second race. I'm pretty sure this car won.
pretty sure too.
But very, very fast car. Really good races. So yeah, if there's any more footage, I'll throw it in right now.